Yo, how's it going, guys? It's Jordan here from DeFi Chads. Today, what we're going to go through is fib retracements and how you can use this in your trading to get better entries into your trades and make a load of cash, as we all want to do, right? So I've been trading for 3 years now, and I use fib retracements all the time in my trading. I don't use them just by themselves to get good entries, but I use them as confluence, as confirmation of my entries to make sure that, I'm getting as good as an entry as I can. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys want to do is you want to get onto TradingView or another application of your choice. Pretty sure you can just go onto most crypto applications, they'll have this tool. On TradingView, it's here on the left. If you don't know where it is on your application, I guess just Google it and you'll find it, right? So here's my fib retracement on the left. Click on these. I don't know what any of these are. Look at this, fib speed resistance. What the hell is that? We're gonna stick with a fib retracement, okay? Nice and simple. So what a fib retracement does, if I just draw one over here on the black screen, mine are white. So I hope you guys can see them. You got 5 different lines. Now your one may have more, but I only like using these 5 lines. The 0% and the 1% are required because these will be the highs and low points of your chart, and the middle 3 are basically where you expect price to make a move and where you expect price to change course from. So starting at the top, we got the 61.8% fib, got the 50% fib, and you got the 38.2% fib. These numbers made by a very, very smart Italian mathematician called Fibonacci, way smarter than me. After the golden ratio made these. So basically what they're meant to represent is that once price has moved in a certain direction, it normally retraces to a percentage. And these percentages are shown by the fib retracement. So let's start with this one, nice and easy. We got Bitcoin here on the weekly chart. Gonna get our fib up, and you're looking for very, very deep swing points for these. Now, obviously the markets are fractal, meaning that you can look for fib retracements on the weekly, daily, all the way down to the 5-minute. But today we're gonna start with the weekly. So we got the swing high here, the top of Bitcoin, 69K. We're gonna start there. And the next swing point that I'm gonna attach this to is this one down here. So this is 32K. Now, what you notice here is that once I draw this Fibonacci from the high to the low, you'll see that we get resistance at the 32% fib. And this is exactly what you're looking for. This is a retracement upwards. So in this case, you're gonna start the Fibonacci from the high to the low. These are the swing points, right? If it was the other way around and we're looking for a retracement downwards, you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna look at swing low to swing high. So this is a great example. And obviously, if price continued to move upwards, you may expect it to turn from the 61.8% fib. The point is, it's likely to turn from one of these 3, and you can use it as confluence. Let's have a look at some other charts. Right, guys, let's have a look at ETH here. So I have ETH on the same weekly, and we're gonna have a look at roughly the same Fibonacci sequence. So we go from swing high to swing low, and we see here, look at this, perfectly turned from the 0.5, as you can see right there. Right, now let's do an inverse example, guys. So let's work from a retracement downwards. This is where you'd look to buy, right? And this is more fun in a bull market, obviously. So we got ETH on the weekly here. We create a low, we move up, create a high, and what we're gonna do to see for a retracement, we're gonna take it from the low. And by the way I'm snapping here, guys, I'm clicking Control on my Windows PC, and you'd click on Command on your Mac. So that's the way I'm snapping onto these levels. And here what you see, we're gonna expect a reaction from one of these 3 levels. You see some reaction from the 38.2% fib, and then you get beautiful reaction from the 50% fib, and it goes crazy. Right, guys, just for fun, let's have a look at Doge, because I know it went crazy in the 2021 bull market. I mean, look at this. Absolutely crazy. Let's have a look. So we got a swing low here on the daily this time. Swing low to swing high. We're looking for a buy. Now, obviously, this was a bad buy, but you can see that after that swing high, it found some resistance at the 38% fib here. Some support, sorry. And then it found support at the 68% fib twice before accepting through. So you can see it does work very, very effectively. And it's an amazing tool if you combine it with other trading methods or just by itself. I mean, I know some traders that make it work just by themselves. So, you know, go do it just by yourself. So that was the fib retracement tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will answer your questions. I wish you all the best with your trading. This was Jordan. Bye-bye.